In a world where every decision matters, the future of AI is moving beyond the cloud to on-device. The era of physical AI is here. A world where performance, power efficiency, and ease of use is paramount. At SiMa.ai, we're scaling physical AI with the industry's first purpose-built ML-SoC heterogeneous compute platform that delivers 10 times better performance over the industry GPU leader at the lowest power and thermal footprint. Our software-centric approach, comprising a library of over 600 pre-optimized AI models, a drag-and-drop visual editor, Palette Edgematic, and a powerful SDK, ensures fast development and deployment of computer vision and artificial intelligence solutions. We are enhancing ease of use and democratizing access to physical AI through our AI code generation framework, LiMa, that enables quick prototyping and deployment of large language models from Hugging Face to Modalix seamlessly. From industrial, robotics, automotive, smart retail, aerospace to healthcare, we enable innovators to deploy computer vision, LLMs, and LMMs everywhere, running in real time with less than 10 watts of power. Our Modalix Silicon, our system on modules, boards, and dev kits, our Palette Edgematic software, and LiMa framework, bringing the power of generative AI seamlessly on device. Together, they make physical AI real, practical, and scalable. And we're not doing it alone. With a growing ecosystem of partners, we're helping customers from across different industries to accelerate innovation and redefine what's possible in physical AI. This is SiMa.ai. Our vision is to bring AI to the people by applying physical AI to everyday situations.